Hi, I'm Karen, an instructor at the Aromahead Institute. Thank you for watching our Aromahead YouTube channel. This blend is called Time for Sleep Lotion. Sometimes drifting off to sleep becomes quite a chore. Just when we anticipate our minds slowing down, suddenly all kinds of thoughts popcorn in and out of our heads. And this blend is an excellent choice to keep handy right before bed. We might even smooth this blend onto our skin about 1 hour before bedtime to give our minds plenty of time to wind down. And a few hours before bedtime is the time to turn off all electronic devices and start going into a quiet place, encouraging a soon-to-be peaceful rest. This is an amazing blend, and this recipe contains an oil called Neroli Petitgrain that might be new to you. This is an easy blend. To get started, add 2 ounces of unscented lotion into your glass jar. We are using a glass jar, but you can also use any kind of a container. The 3 essential oils that we're using in this blend are known for their nerve calming, anti-anxiety, and immune stimulating properties, all because of a chemical component called linalool. Linalool is a chemical component in the monoterpenol family that is well researched for their therapeutic properties. Our first essential oil is Thyme Chemotype Linalool. There are different chemotypes of thyme, and this is why we say chemotype linalool. Make sure that you get the correct chemotype for this recipe to benefit from linalool's therapeutic properties. The deep green leaves and pretty white flowers of the Thymus vulgaris chemotype linalool creates a fresh, sweet, woodsy, herbaceous essential oil. Use this blend to help calm your thoughts and get your mind off the hamster wheel of worry. We will add 10 drops of linalool into our unscented lotion. It smells so good. Our second oil is 10 drops of Lavandula angustifolia. This is common lavender. It smells beautiful. Lavandula angustifolia calms, soothes, nurtures, reduces anxiety and fear, and helps calm and control emotional stress. It's also very supportive of the skin, helping to ease pain and inflammation, and helps to clear out germs. Be sure to read the Latin name on your lavender bottle to make sure it's Lavandula angustifolia. This is the one that has the calming linalool for our sleep blend. We'll add 10 drops of our lavender into our blend. Get it going. There we go. Our third oil is Neroli Petitgrain. This is Citrus Aritarum variety Amara or Bigardia. This beautiful oil is a co-distill from 2 different plant parts of the same tree. Neroli is from the blossoms of the bitter orange tree, and petitgrain is the leaves of the bitter orange tree. To create this co-distill, the blossoms and leaves are distilled together in the same batch or blended together right after distillation. Petitgrain can also be distilled from other citrus leaves. Bigardia means that this is the bitter orange leaves. All of the different petitgrains have a totally different aroma, so make sure that you read the Latin name. The co-distillation from South Africa brings us the rich, floral, and intoxicating citrusy aroma of the neroli blossoms, along with the herbaceous, slightly bitter petitgrain. This oil is deeply skin nourishing, helps relieve unwanted spasms, is immune supportive, and a welcome oil for emotional unease, uplifting and relaxing all at the same time. We'll add 10 drops to our lotion blend. We have added 10 drops of each of these oils. Next, we just blend this up with a glass stir rod or a metal spoon, blending well, and then remember to label your blend when you're done. These oils work together in a beautiful synergistic way as they bring calm, relieve spasms, and help soothe occasional sore muscles. Great for a bedtime blend. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe right down below, and we'll see you next time.